What I've done is I've come in to the room each day, and sometimes I don't even feel particularly in the mood, but I think no, show up. So this mindfulness that I want to bring to the painting is very much part of some of the stuff that I learned during the Buddhist course. Obviously, a lot of what I learned practicing as a mental health nurse, I did a lot of art stuff with people there, and then simply what I love to do, and the reason that you've all got involved with me in the first place is about my obvious excitement, sometimes ridiculous excitement, about art. So in the zone of thinking that I really am truly bonkers, but also maybe looking at the woods a little more differently next time you go, okay? So it's not that long, but sit back and get comfy. When she studied trees, she saw before her a representation of mankind, or perhaps mankind was a representation of trees. She saw the stubborn tree that grew no matter what, the fight against all odds. Still they grew, and she was ever in awe of their prevailing strength. She knew people like this, people that to the best of everyone's knowledge never stood a chance, and yet fought on with a determination that appeared their greatest strength. She saw the twist, engage emotionally, the sensation of that, and I want to feel where that emotion is coming from, because it's connected. The message is going through our fingers, but it's connected to our body. To sit down and doodle and draw is really a really helpful, engrossing, mindful activity to just calm all those senses down, live in the moment. So you mix, and we're going to have a go in a minute, the yellow and the blue. It will make us a green, but will it make us that green palette? So if we start with yellow, and I'll put a bit there, hopefully you can see I'll put a bit higher. Now at this point I'm not talking about 50-50 measures, because obviously the red is a dark red, it's quite a pigmented red, and if I put the same amount of red in that, it's going to almost look red. So we'll put a little bit in at a time, just a dot. I really want you to appreciate what it's like getting your hands utterly stuck in there and just feel it.
C'est quoi l'ensemble de l'histoire? Ne la racontez pas, mais en deux mots. C'est le... Parce que
vous
dans
savez,
l'amour, il y a le ratage, il y a la réussite, il y a le bonheur, il y a tout.
Oui, c'est même pas une histoire, c'est surtout les points sur certaines réactions des femmes.
Je me la soie de pas bien longtemps sans m'embrasser les menottes. Pas bien longtemps la soie de pas bien longtemps sans m'embrasser les menottes. Pas bien longtemps.
Ça aide pas, vous savez, parce qu'on voit toujours ce qu'il y a derrière la tête dans les yeux, non?
La soie de pas bien longtemps sans m'embrasser les menottes. Pas bien longtemps la soie de pas bien longtemps sans m'embrasser les menottes. Pas bien longtemps. dans les tiens. Fini d'aimer. Et dans tes bras, comme une herbe mouillée, je me balance.
J'ai jamais entendu dire que ça portait bonheur.